Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type around an object. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is our image and we want to type around this image. First of all, what we have to do is to make sure we have our ruler. You can press Ctrl plus R. So Ctrl R and the ruler appears, the horizontal and the vertical. First, drag the horizontal line to, let's say, this place is okay, and drag the vertical line to this place. The reason why we are using the ruler is to get a straight line. It is optional. And the next step is to select the pen tool or press P to select the pen tool. Now we are going to mark around the image. We are going to mark around the image, just like how I am doing. Let's add another ruler. I think here is okay. So now let's zoom in and click exactly on the ruler. Now you can hold shift. You can hold shift and click in the middle of this ruler. You get a straight line, and go to this place and hold shift and click on it, another straight line. Now this place, to click on it and click on this place. Now you have your outline. The next thing we are going to do is to select our text tool. When you select your text tool, when it gets into this, it changes. There is a circle around the text tool. When it comes out, only the text tool. When it gets in, meaning you can type in that area. Click on it like this, and now type whatever you want to type. Type whatever you want to type. Before you type, make sure your alignment is at right. So type anything. I have already typed something, so now I want to reduce the size of the text. So Ctrl A to select all, and come to Windows, character, and now with this point you can shrink it. You can shrink it. It's all in capital letters, so you can click this place, and now you have something like this. You can see some of the sentences are longer than others, so if you want to adjust it, you can click on paragraph and click on this icon here. It will adjust everything. Now we have it very straight.
So your text is around the image. You can also change the color of the writings by highlighting or and clicking on this red something. So you can change it to, let's say, yellow, any color you want. Uh, any color you want. So I prefer this yellow. And now you have your text around the subject. This, most people normally use this in magazine and newspapers. So this is how we do it in Photoshop. Now that you have finished, you can take off the ruler back to where it came from. So let's take off the ruler. And now this is our final rig. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, and there are more videos to come. So subscribe and get notified anytime I post. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.